This tutorial review will show you how to change your TikTok username and display name. Open your TikTok app and open your profile menu and tap on Edit Profile. To change your TikTok display name, tap on Name, and from here you can change your TikTok display name. And to change your TikTok username, tap on Username. And now you can change your username from here. If it's available, you will see the green tick mark here. Then tap on Save. And that's how you can change TikTok username and display name. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.